right, the first question is, how many times does the Earth spin in one day?
0. Oh, wait, never mind.
Where are you putting this?
Just on
it's
YouTube.
YouTube. You can stand off camera.
You don't have to be on camera if you don't want to. That's
Yeah,
fine.
you just stand off camera.
You can still participate.
No, you can be on
She's
YouTube.
doing it.
It might be fun.
You want? Is it okay to film you or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So how many times does the Earth spin in one day in the globe model, which we're all taught in school?
One rotation.
Exactly. You got it.
There you go. There's one.
She had it.
Woo-woo.
All right, so your second question is, the sun is right there. How far away is it in miles?
I'm gonna guess in the billions.
No.
You guys can talk some more.
Don't talk
Talk-
too much. Figure it out.
Is that your final answer?
I think it's more than 1 million miles away.
She's right on that.
Okay. It's more than that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
No, it'll be different.
You said more than 1 million, right?
I would say like 50 million.
50 million?
All right, the answer is 93 million miles away.
Oh.
So
No,
I was,
no.
when I said 1 billion, I wasn't too far off.
Not too far away. But I'll tell you what, I'll still give you $20 if you answer the last question right.
Okay.
All right, in the globe model, how fast is the Earth spinning at the equator in miles per hour? We try not to go above 5th grade level questions.
Yeah.
But it's stuff we were all taught. We were all taught at school.
Ask the question again. I'm
How
trying
fast
to
is the Earth spinning at the equator in miles per hour?
I would say 1/4 of a mile per hour.
That's what it feels like because we don't feel like we're spinning. No,
Yeah.
it's super fast. It's 1,037 miles an hour is how fast the Earth spins.
Right now.
Now, Neil deGrasse Tyson says if you kick a football when you're playing football towards the goalpost, the Earth spins beneath it and it can travel farther because of that. Yet a helicopter goes up and hovers, the Earth doesn't spin below it. Birds, a drone, hot air balloon. What happened to the spin there? So what we do is we just hand out these flyers to people and say, look into it. These are all facts about Earth.
Start
Have
using
you ever
common
opened
sense.
up a can of soda?
Yeah.
All right, what happens to the air inside that can of soda? It escapes and fills the void around it, right? So you have a vacuum of space next to air pressure, which we're breathing right now,
14 pounds per inch squared.
right? And it's a vacuum of 10 to the negative 17 torr, the strongest vacuum ever created. Yet the Earth's air is not getting sucked away, right? Because high pressure moves to low pressure. It's the second law of thermodynamics. So you can't have air pressure next to a vacuum without a container. So where's our container? So these are just little facts we like to ask people. You know, natural laws.
And then get you thinking.
Start using common sense and get rid of the nonsense. That's all we ask.
Use your God-given senses.
Would you like
Thank-
one too?
Thank you for playing. We appreciate it.
God and science. Interesting.